Hi everyone, welcome back in our new video. Today in this video I will tell you how you can fix your Bluetooth problem in Kali Linux. For example, here you can see it is my Bluetooth dashboard, but I can't see any devices to connect it with my Bluetooth. So if you are also facing same problem, so now I will tell you how you can fix this problem. So first of all, you need to open your terminal. After this, you just need to type a single line of command, that is service Bluetooth start, and hit enter. Then type your password, and now here you can see I can connect my devices with my Bluetooth. So with this one line of command you can easily fix your Bluetooth in Kali Linux. So if you like this video, hit the like button. And if you want to learn ethical hacking, then you can follow our ethical hacking video series. So go and check out our playlist. So thank you for watching this video. See you again in the next video.